Okay, so people were asking about how to link an assignment or an activity in Discovery directly into Schoology. So we'll go through that really quickly. This is a 5th grade ELA course I taught, so I unarchived this so we can use it. So we'll say that this is for 5th grade ELA. Here is my Discovery homepage. So because it's 5th grade ELA, I'm going to go to the English Language Arts channel. Don't forget you can always use your search bar. So I could have done a search for 5th grade ELA, but it's already here on my homepage. So I'm just going to click here. Okay, you've got your options here. So K5, 6, 8, 9, 12. Because this is a 5th grade ELA class, I'm going to keep it with the K through 5 option picked. And I'll do literature. Okay, so these are all literature activities for kindergarten through 5th grade. New, okay. Oh, Emily Dickinson. I'll use that one. Don't know why I used that voice. She was from the Boston area, but okay, whatever. Moving on. So I'm going to click on the 3 dots, and then I want to do share. If you do assign, it'll still assign it to them, but then it gets sent to the student's Discovery that they would access through Clever. If you want it to go to Schoology, though, you do share. And then if you tap on Schoology, you get this message that you need to add the resource to your quick list. So that's how you send it to Schoology. So let's add this resource to my quick list. So I'm going to do the 3 dots again. Save to my content. Okay, so this also works. Save to my content. Add a new folder. Why not? ELA. Add. Okay, so this is now in my ELA folder. So I'm going to go into Schoology. I'm going to go up to Add Materials, and I'm going to go to the Discovery Education bar over here. Okay, add assessments, add from my content, add from quick list. Since I just saved it to my content, that's where I'm clicking. Here we go. Emily Dickinson, ABC Summary Student Activity, Embed. And like magic, it's here at the bottom. So now within Schoology, they can advance their slides, choose a letter from the alphabet, watch the video, and focus on the big idea. Write a summary statement about something you learned. Begin your sentence with the letter you chose. Watch the video a second time. Did you miss anything important? Revise your sentence if needed. And then they can do their typing in this box. In theory, it's not letting me do anything, but I'm not a student. And unfortunately, this class is archived, so I don't have any active students to do the view course as. Yeah, those are all gone. Okay, but that is how it works.
Emily Dickinson, the second of America's great originals, was also a product of America's East Coast intellectual establishment.
With a Boston accent. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Oh, really quickly, so people have been asking, do they just watch videos? Are there questions at the end of the videos? So that really depends on what the activity is that you're looking at. So some of these full video activity, so that's going to take them through steps to do. Here's a PDF activity, which they could, in theory, annotate the PDF on their iPad. We're still working on that one. So there's lots of choices, but like whether or not they answer questions at the end or not depends on what you chose. So like when you are doing your planning, you would want to preview the activity to see if there are questions for them to answer after, or if they're just watching a video on there. You can always create an exit ticket for them if it just is a video and there's no questions or anything after. Be creative. And let me know if you have any questions. If you want to do this and you would like me to push in for additional support, just let me know. I'm always happy to help. Thanks a lot. Have a great weekend.